What are investigations in safety culture? Dealing with incidents can often feel fragmented, with details scattered across different tools. Safety Culture's investigations feature is designed to streamline incident management, providing a single source of truth for capturing key details, gathering evidence, and analyzing root causes. It helps organizations track and manage incidents effectively with a consistent process. We'll cover how investigations helps you track and manage all incident data, view investigation profiles and manage access, and streamline reporting. First, let's look at how safety culture helps teams track and manage investigations. Organizations need a clear way to keep tabs on all open investigations. Safety culture allows you to easily track and manage investigations from a centralized dashboard, quickly viewing key details at a glance, organizing ongoing investigations, and seamlessly updating their status as they progress. For example, a safety manager can use the board view to easily monitor the progress of all investigations, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. For broad control, users with the Investigations Manage permission can view and manage all incidents across the entire organization. Under the Settings tab, configurable statuses enable you to tailor investigations to suit your existing incident management processes and provide a more organized approach to incident resolution. To further tailor your investigation process, you can set up investigation fields to be completed as part of each investigation. These fields guide collaborators to include all relevant and necessary details consistently. You'll need the Investigation Settings permission to configure these options. Now let's explore the investigation profile. I'll open this material spill investigation. Each investigation profile acts as a dedicated space, centralizing everything related to an incident. View key incident details, document findings, and upload all supporting evidence like photos, documents, or videos. You can also add relevant issues, link existing inspections or start new ones, and assign corrective actions. The investigation fields you configure ensure consistent detail capture, streamlining your reporting. Next, managing access to sensitive information is a top priority. Investigations allows for granular access control, ensuring only approved people can view or edit specific investigations. By default, any user who creates an investigation automatically has access. From there, you can easily grant other team members either view or edit access. This ensures confidentiality and secure collaboration. If an owner leaves, ownership can also be transferred to keep investigations on track. Access can also be revoked if needed. Finally, streamline your reporting and ensure compliance. You can download an investigation report as a PDF to easily share detailed findings with your team and stakeholders. Safety Culture's Investigations feature empowers teams to centralize incident data, streamline workflows, and drive continuous improvement for a safer workplace. To learn how to get started with investigations, search Create and Complete Investigations in our Help Center. For this and more on investigations, head to help.safetyculture.com.